guys, dinner is served. It is delicious and easy to make. Let me know what you think. Comment in the section below, please. Thank you. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking diced beef. So this is a dish that I'm just gonna cook after work. I'm just gonna brown the beef first. So guys, this is like a casserole dish. So I'm going to brown the beef. So while the beef is browning, I'm going to add salt, just a teaspoon of salt, and pepper, just black pepper, guys. Alright, I'm just gonna wait until each side is nice and golden brown. Alright guys, now I'm going to set this meat aside. Alright, now I'm going to add some onion, just one onion, and then just cook the onions for a few minutes. Garlic, 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm just going to add a little bit of more oil. A little bit more oil. Now I'm going to add sweet paprika, about a teaspoon of that, coriander powder, tablespoon of that, and cumin, about a teaspoon of the cumin. Alright, let's just mix this through. Guys, I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric is very good for you. So let me just add that. A bit of turmeric, a teaspoon of turmeric. We'll cook until the spices are smelling good. Let's cook until the spices are smelling good. Now I'm going to add tomato puree. You can add a can of tomato or you can add whatever tomato you get. But I've got this tomato puree. That's what I'm going to add. I'll just let that cook for a little bit. And then I'm just going to add some chicken stock cubes. Just there. And mix that through. Alright, now I'm going to add water. 1 cup of water. So guys, this sauce is very nice and rich. I'm going to add a little bit of water, actually, about half a cup. Half a cup again. And I'll bring this to boil. Bring this to boil. Alright guys, I'm going to bring the meat back and then simmer until the meat is nice and tender. While the meat is simmering, I'm going to add carrot. And I'm going to also add some potatoes. And then mix through with the meat. Now fresh thyme and rosemary. And then cover this and cook for an hour and a half or until the meat is nice and tender. Guys, I'm going to remove this. Guys, dinner is served. This chicken casserole dish is delicious and easy to make. Let me know what you think. Comment in the section below, please. Thank you. Bye.